Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is a Shakespearean play. This is the Cymbeline knot. Let's go ahead and get going with this knot here. We're going to put it at my belt line as usual on the left side. We're going to go over here. We're going to put in a dimple. We're going to bring it over here. We're going to come up and over like this, and we're going to leave it like so. We're going to come over the top. We're going to come down and around. We're going to fold it in half. Come across like this. We're going to fold it in half. Again, bring it down like this. This is what we have so far. So then I'm going to come underneath it like so. I'm going to come across. And then I'm going to unfold it. Then I'm going to fold it down like that. And then we're going to come around. And then we're going to come underneath like so. And there you have it. The Cymbeline knot. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Oh no, it's not my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.